Container Man 68 here. Don't know if that worked or not. Oh, don't want to get ahead of myself. So anyway, built some bench work. Nothing fancy, just a little more something to display trains on. So let's see. Went to the train show today, Dodge City, Kansas. Got some fusion fiber. A guy in Salina, Kansas is making this. Doesn't need water, or excuse me, doesn't need glue. You just mix with water and acrylic paint, spread, add details and decoration, and let dry. No glue needed. Fusion fiber holds it all together. That little bag, 1 pound bag, was $21. The guy also makes his own trees, HO and N scale. And let's see, we'll get to that second. Did, however, buy me some signs. Well, one sign, maybe. There are 2 other ones I can't show you because they're going to friends of mine. So, since Mopac went through Lake Cross, I bought me a Mopac sign. I'll hang that up someplace. And I got these in the mail a couple of days ago, waiting to do mail call on them. Authors Proto 60-foot Gunderson, come on, Express boxcar, Amtrak. Well, that's not working. Won't focus. That's weird. There are actually 4 in the box. Haven't quite decided if I'm going to keep all 4 of them. Keep 1, keep 2, maybe give 2 away. So that's what's in that box. So trains show. So I got HO scale, coal hopper, BNSF. I can't get it. Can't get it. And that one fell off. Okay, let's set that up there. So let's see. Hey, there's a battery in there. Let's pick it back up and look at it. Hey, there we go. Flip the switch. Well, maybe. Got some touch-up work. Hang on, guys. Okay, so some touch-up work. Inside bracings broke. Right there. Need to fix the weights. There's a battery. Wonder what. Oh, hey, looky there. And my phone's not. There we go. Flashing right in device. That's sweet, huh? There's a switch on the bottom. Couldn't do it with one hand, guys. So that's why I had to put the phone down. Okay. Guess I need to get rewire. No, just temporary, like I said, just temporary. So, nice little package today. More wheel cars. Some damage. $7 a piece. I actually got a good deal on them. So, hang on a minute. Okay, so let's see. We got single, 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 single. We got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2 with the container. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And looking at it, I think I think I got ripped off because this is actually an A, and that's an E, and that's a B. So I'm missing 2 on that one. I'd set them down and turned around, went back to get something else, and I came back. Somebody was looking at them. I think somebody took 2. Or I got the guy's number, though. He's a friend of mine. He actually lives in Hayes. So maybe I can swing back and get him somehow. There's some parts in there that I just noticed. Walk away. So the other bag of goodies over there. I dived into, hey, looky there, N-Scale, Kansas City Southern. Fox Valley models. My phone isn't, no. I'm not going to pull them out. A GEES. Anyway, it's a GEESB. Kansas City Southern diesel engine. DCC ready. We got Intermountain BNSF. Is that a coal hopper? Either coal hopper. I think it's a covered hopper, actually, to tell you the truth. Oh. Got a re-railer, N-Scale re-railer. BN tank car. There you go, Mark. Oh, wait, it's N-Scale. Sorry, Mark. Kansas City Southern covered hopper. That's Bachmann. The tank car was Microtrains. The covered hopper was Intermountain, of course. And one more. We got an Athearn 5-pack bathtub gondolas for KCPLKGE. Yep, $75. Why is that not focusing? Anyway, so like I said, I'm missing 2 there on this unit, 2 missing 2 on that unit there. And then you call the guy and see what happened. So, not too bad. Do you think I got enough well cars? And I still got well cars boxed up, spine cars boxed up. I got a whole bunch of stuff boxed up still. So we got all those. Got all those. My 89-foot flats. Spine cars, flats. More well cars, well cars, well cars, well cars. Gundersons. Well cars down here. Coal hoppers. And well cars over there too. And well cars there and there and there. And there's 2 packages of them there. So, yep. Like I said, this is just a temporary. Nothing major, just something simple to display some more trains on. So, have fun. Me again. Like I said, nothing major there. So, was thinking, anybody want Amtrak boxcars? Broke my chair today too. Made me mad. Yeah, never mind. I think I know who I can send them to. Somebody maybe needing. Yeah, who knows? We'll figure it out. So, okay, bye guys.